Wendy Nichols, Campus Care Manager for Hartford HealthCare, is joining us now for today's medical rounds. Thanks so much for talking with us today, Wendy.
Thanks for having me, Caitlin.
So can you tell us a little bit about the partnership between Hartford HealthCare and Connecticut College?
Yes, Hartford HealthCare and Connecticut College have established a really strong collaborative relationship over the last few months. Hartford HealthCare is going to manage the student health services on the campus as well as the athletic services for the athletes on campus.
So talk a little bit more about those student athletes. How are they going to benefit from this partnership?
The student athletes are actually going to see services that they haven't had before. These will include things like injury risk assessment, where we can assess the athlete's risk of injury, and we can develop programs to reduce those risks. They'll also have access to nutrition consults, where, it's no secret that nutrition plays a huge role in an athlete's performance, as well as behavioral health consults, where they can meet with a behavioral psychologist to review mindfulness for game day, as well as go over any barriers or issues that they may be dealing with that might hinder their performance.
Okay, so outside of athletics, how is this partnership going to impact students?
Hartford HealthCare's goal is to make this as seamless as a transition as possible for the students. But the students will notice an increase in access to care, as well as access to after-hours care at their local Go Health in New London.
And we're of course in the middle of a pandemic. Why is this type of access to care to the student population so vital?
So with the pandemic, it's very vital, not only for the students, but to the parents too. The parents are dropping off their students to the campus, and they want to know that their students are in the best hands possible. So with Hartford HealthCare, we are able to manage any symptomatic students. We're helping out with the testing on the campus to make sure that the campus stays as safe as possible.
All right, Wendy Nichols, thank you so much. Some information coming out today about a partnership between Hartford HealthCare and Connecticut College. Thanks so much for your time. We appreciate it. Take care.
Thank you, Caitlin.